This kind of flagging pattern in the S&P for a few weeks now, wondering if we'd be able to break through these 323 highs or whatnot. So we did get that breakthrough today, but I mean, the whole market, we have to talk about the NASDAQ. We had the market rally today, but it wasn't a broad-based rally. It was a complete NASDAQ-driven rally. We can look at the heat map. Did you see the heat map today, Bennett? It's probably one of the nutsest heat maps I've seen for a day that we were up so much. You know, you'd think that, you know, it'll be a broad-based rally. You look at industrials over here, nothing. Utilities, nothing. Energy, dead. Financials, consumer defense, nothing. And then huge green. Amazon up 8%. Microsoft up 4%. Apple 2%. Google. So these names, and then we saw the software stocks kill it, and the work-from-home stocks. And I found the funniest ETF there is. Type this in. Ready? WFH, Bennett. It's the work from home ETF.
Oh my
and it
God.
was up 4% today. There's a work from home ETF apparently. But so I mean, I don't know. For me, it's a little concerning. We didn't see anything besides tech rally in the S&P. I bought a lot of SPY today in my long-term account. Just a technical coming out of that pattern. But looking around at the what's underneath the hood, it's kind of ugly.
Yeah. So it's funny when you mentioned the WFH, which is a Drexion ETF. I'm not even surprised.
3X, right?
Yeah, but a bunch of their ETFs all got delisted recently, like all the triple leverage, like the oil ones, like a bunch of their ETFs all got delisted. So it's just fun, kind of hilarious. Like now they're like, okay.
What are people to ask us to buy then?
Yeah, we're gonna find out pretty soon.
But I got you. Yeah, pretty much the S&P. Start of the breakdown. I got your chart.
So the main thing, again, I was highlighting the big picture was, the start of the initial breakdown of the market was this 320 in the SPY. Now that we're finally starting to poke back above it and hold above it, we're starting to get back above with the initial, downtrend, started back in the beginning of the year. So it's just good to see that. Definitely, good sign for us, broadly speaking. And then sector-wise, telecom, VOH, major level through 100 again. It's very hard to be buying 100. This week, if you hadn't bought it before, but for a lot of the guys that have been in this all year with me, buying up through 70 and 80 and 90, it's much easier to continue to add to this winner versus just trying to buy it, right here at 100 would be perfect. So it's just a sector we're keeping an eye on.